What is going on? Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. So it's about 5:30 today and I'm getting ready to go to Detroit. I'm gonna be bringing back that Warrior that I was not able to bring last time because of the weather. So yeah, I'll see you guys there, and I'm super excited for this new adventure, and hopefully this time we get it back to Naples in about 2 days, maybe 1 day. We'll see. See ya. So I'm here at the Oakland airport and we were trying to fuel the aircraft up, but the machine doesn't work. So we're gonna try to solve the situation and see if we can get out of here. There's a couple airports around here that we could fly to, but we wouldn't be able to land with a 30-minute reserve.
By the time they were done, it was already 2 p.m, so we decided to stay in Detroit, spend the night, and fly out the next day. We actually had a great time. Sometimes things happen for a reason.
So fortunately we were able to fuel up the airplane, so the guys came and fixed everything. So we are ready to go. It's 7 in the morning here in Oakland, and we're gonna head down and try to get to Naples, Florida today if possible. If not, we're just gonna spend the night somewhere, and that's the plan.
Here, you're gonna hold the checklist for me. Alright, so the trim is takeoff. We're going to put 10 degrees of flat because we're going to do a short fuel takeoff. Mixer's all the way. Fuel pump is on. All the breakers look good. All the radios are set up here. We might have to switch back and forth. We'll check. Squawking VFR. We are in altitude. We are in COM 1. I'm going to put that there. Right. This works. Altimeter was set, nothing to set up for in the VORs. Attitude is set. Directional gyro, actually it precessed a lot, so we're gonna have to keep an eye on that. 130. Turn coordinator works. Autopilot is on. Nothing to set up for over here. And we're good to go. Alright. Oakland traffic, Warrior November 4309er X-ray will be taking the active 26 and will be departing the pattern to the south. Oakland traffic.
With a length of 3,128 feet and a width of 40 feet, Oakland Airport is a fairly short runway with trees at the end of the runway, so a short fuel takeoff was definitely necessary.
We're going to take every inch of this runway. Alright, everything is on the green. Temperatures, pressures looking good. We're out. Right.
Let's do this.
Alright, airspeed is alive. 40. 45. 50. 55. 60. Rotate. Alright, so 1900 is pattern altitude. I can take the flaps out.
Even though it's not required, I always request VFR flight following. By doing so, ATC will serve as another set of eyes in the sky to keep you away from other traffic and potential threats. Here's how you request it.
Detroit approach, Warrior 4309 X-ray.
Warrior 3490 X-ray, Detroit.
November 4309 X-ray, we're currently about 4 nautical miles south of Yankee 47. We'd like to request VFR flight following to Kilo Echo Kilo X-ray at 4,500, and we are Piper PA28 Warrior.
X-ray, stand by, first open.
Roger.
Warrior 4390 X-ray, squawk 7472.
7472, 09er X-ray.
By selecting 7472 on the aircraft transponder, ATC will be able to track us and provide traffic advisories. Initially, we were planning to land at Kilo Echo Kilo X-ray, which is Addington Field in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. But we couldn't wait to use the restroom, so we had to land at Madison, Indiana. So we just landed here in Madison, Indiana, just for a quick restroom stop. You know, it's not easy to hold it up there, so we just landed here. And our next leg is going to be to Columbus, Georgia. And so far we are on schedule, so I think we're going to be able to get to Florida today. Without any doubt, we got the best views while we were flying over Tennessee. I would have loved to fly over the Smoky Mountains, but after experiencing the turbulence you get over the mountains on my California to Naples trip, well, I decided to go around them. I'll put a link up in the card so you can check it out. I will leave you guys with a landing in Columbus. Let me know what you think down in the comments. After a brief fuel stop at Flyways in Columbus, Georgia, and checking the weather, we got ready for our last leg back to Naples. Right around Albany, Georgia, ATC informed us that they were not able to see our altitude. In other words, our MOSI transponder was not working properly. And yes, some of you may notice that it's not in the altitude mode, but that's because I was messing with it. Due to this issue, we had to divert to Bartow, Florida. We're here in Bartow. We were not able to go straight to Naples as planned because the MOSI and our transponder stopped working, and we were going to be going through the MOSI Veil of Tampa International, so obviously we're not allowed to do that, so we had to go around it, and we ended up in Bartow, and we're fueling up here. We're on our way to Naples. I did not include the ATC audio of this portion of the flight, and that's because the radios got super scratchy, and that is freaking annoying. But I did want to give a huge shout out to our controllers at the Naples airport. They are absolutely the best. I get a great feeling when I hear their voices, because when I do, I know I'm back home. Yeah, we have it.